Well, good. It's fixing to rain Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope y'all have a fine start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you, it has been raining every evening here in East Central Mississippi probably for the last 5 or 6 days. It's a good thing because we can sure enough use the rain over here. But what I wanted to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over in the sticks, and today is going to be something, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is we got some stuff that we need to get shelled and put in the freezer. Give me a second, I'm finna show you, and yeah, that's what we finna do. Before we get started and we go off in the shop and I show you, my partner in crime, Scholar, is dang near related to everybody that lives on my road and pretty much in my community. Lo and behold, I was like, you know what? We need to find us some purple hull peas to put up for the winter because I didn't plant any this year. I'm thinking about doing it maybe next year. But anyways, we needed to find some purple hull peas to put up for the winter time because we like purple hull peas. Her uncle that lives, oh, I don't know, right over there, plants a lot of purple hull peas and corn and collards and he plants a lot of stuff. But what I didn't know is he has about a 3-acre plot of nothing but purple hull peas. And he was like, Dan, you want to pick some purple hull peas, you go over there and get after it. And this was on Sunday.
Well, I said, I'll take some with me. And I told Heath, because, you know, Heath's big thing. I tried to get him to come out here today.
Did you?
Oh, yeah. I said, I'm going to get him to come one time.
That was a big old mess of purple hull peas right there.
And,
But you go on and pick and everything over here is picked by the 5-gallon bucket. You pick some peas, it's 5-gallon buckets worth. He's like, Dan, y'all go over there, get you about 4 or 5 buckets, 5-gallon buckets of purple hull peas. I said, I'll pay you. He said, no, I don't take payment. But if you pick me, meaning him, a 5-gallon bucket of peas, we'll call it even. So you know what we did Sunday? We picked some purple hull peas. Let me show you. Didn't even do any video on it because, Lord, it was hot, humid, ooh, and muddy. But we're gonna go off in the shop. I'm gonna show you what we ended up with, and yeah, we'll go from there. Look there. Hope the light comes out. That is probably about maybe a bushel, maybe a bushel and a half, maybe it might even be 2 bushels of showing off Mississippi pink eye purple hull peas. And these are the top pick purple hull peas. I've grew these before. Didn't see anything like this, but this is what we got to pick. That's what we got to shell today. And when I mean shell, it's like pulling the shell back and getting them peas out. So that was, look at there, Eddie, Eduardo, you know y'all, thank you, brother. These things come in really handy. This thing was filled, slammed to the top with purple hull peas. So we got a lot of shelling that we need to do today. It's probably gonna be a short video. I'm gonna try to get some video shelling some purple hull peas. Let me get outside because you can probably see me better out there. But we sure enough got our work cut out for us, getting these peas shelled up. Hopefully we can get them on top of the stove and blanched and put in the freezer. We'll just have to see how it goes. That is a lot of peas to shell by hand. I actually looked into a electric pea sheller, if you will. Dang, them things are high. But maybe down the road I can get one. We're just trying to justify the cost because they run about 500 bucks. The cost versus how often you use it. And purple hull peas, of course, are seasonal. My thinking on it is, hey, go on to spend the money. It's a good machine. And if you only use it once or twice a year, at least you have it. And you don't have to spend several hours shelling peas. So I'm going to end this video now. I'm gonna try to get some more video of us shelling peas, and we'll see what happens. Okie dokie, in my boneheadedness, I probably forgot to mention, Dan, why do you have all of these purple hull peas sitting on top of your counter? Well, the reason why I have them sitting on the counter is if you leave these purple hull peas in these containers right there, they'll actually start to sweat and the peas will get mushy and they'll go bad. So I went ahead and put these purple hull peas, just spread them out on the counter just to make sure that they didn't start sweating. Left my fans going all over the place, and I believe they're good to go. But another way you can do it is actually put them on the floor. Get you some newspaper, spread it out on the floor, and just dump your purple hull peas on the floor. That's why they're sitting on the counter. So y'all, again, I hope everybody is having a showing of good Monday, and I hope y'all have a safe week. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. It's a short one. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over, give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on, especially when you got a whole bunch of purple hull peas to show. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.